Selah and I are going to work on scent work. So I have treats in this hand and her scent in this hand. Selah, fine. Good. Find. Good find. Good girl. Now I'm switching hands. Find. Good. Find. Good. Notice I'm waiting a little bit longer for her to keep indicating and moving the treats around. Good. Find. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Fine. Good girl. Good girl. Yay! What a good dog. Yeah! Now have the scent hidden for Selah, so we're going to see if she can find it and indicate where it is. All right, Selah, let's go. Find. Good. Good job. Good job.